Hey friends, this is Latif for Well and welcome to the new update on Kyber network as it has surged more than 930%. So we will try to understand how it has surged and what it can do next. First of all, I would like to share with you this very big descending triangle that is formed on the daily chart, and after that we will watch this really very big pattern, the cup and handle formation on the weekly chart, and we will also try to watch the different support and resistance levels as well, and this channel where the price action is moving at the moment. And at the end of this video I would like to show you this bullish bad pattern that is formed by the price action of Kyber network. First of all, I would like to share with you my previous chart that I shared. That was basically a 4-day chart, and the price action formed a bullish butterfly pattern. I just shared this chart in September 2019, and I was expecting more up to 512% profit as per Fibonacci sequence of this bullish butterfly pattern. This was the initial leg, and this second leg was retraced between 0.618 to 0.786 Fibonacci retracement level. That was the first confirmation for the bullish butterfly pattern, and the second leg, the B2C leg, is retraced or projected between 0.382 to 0.886 Fibonacci projection level. That was the second confirmation for the bullish butterfly pattern, and the final leg has been retraced between 1.27 up to 1.618 Fibonacci retracement level, and here the price action completed the final leg of this bullish butterfly pattern, just hit the spike within this potential reversal zone, and I just posted this chart. I was expecting almost up to 512% profit move. I'm just playing this chart. Now you can see that the price action turned really very strong bullish, and it has produced more than 930% bullish rally so far. Now if we watch another move, this was the first confirmation that the price action is going to take a really very big move that I posted last year in September. And there was another confirmation that the price action formed a descending triangle on this daily chart, and if I place the volume profile on this descending triangle, on the complete price action moving within this descending triangle, and we can see up to this level. Now we can see, as per this volume profile, the trader's interest is really very low below this level, and from the upside it was really very low above this level. Whenever the price action will be moved in the area where the trader's interest is low as per this volume profile, definitely the price action will be moved back to the area where the traders are interested to trade. At that time, this was the area. Therefore, when the price action moved here at this level, then at that time we can see that the point of control of this volume profile, the POC of this volume profile, was at the resistance of this descending triangle. That was a really very positive move and signal that was showing that at this time the POC as even above the resistance of this triangle. Therefore, there are more chances for the price line to break out the resistance of this triangle rather to break down the support. Now, if I place the moon phases indicator on this chart, that is really very important indicator to catch the bearish or bullish trends, the upcoming bearish or bullish trends, then we can see that the recent full moon was appeared at this level at very much high distance from the resistance of this triangle. And if we want the recent dark moon, then that was first it was appeared here, and the recent dark moon was appeared at this level at the support of this triangle. That was a really very clear indication that it will be now very difficult for the price line to break down the support, because this is the normal behavior of the price action. Whenever you place the moon phases indicator on any pattern, not on the open price action openly, on the pattern. For example, here we have caught the pattern. I have placed the moon phases indicator on the pattern and the volume profile also on the pattern to catch the up and down trends. Now, if the new dark moon is appeared at the support, So it is a really very clear signal that it will be difficult for the price line to cross down this level. It will be moved up to this level, but it will not cross down this level. And if the new moon is appeared at this level, then it is giving a signal that we can have an upward or bullish trend up to this level, and it will be difficult for the price line to cross above this level. For example, we had a full moon here. Then we can see that the price action spiked up to this level and moved down again. Then the next full moon was appeared at this level. Then we have again a spike almost really very close to this full moon. Then it is moved down again, and we have the next full moon at this level. Then the price action moved up to this level, almost to this new full moon, and the next full moon appeared at this high level, and now the price action has moved up to that level. Now this new full moon is a signal that it will be difficult for the price line to cross above this level unless the new full moon will be not appeared above this level. Now if we switch to the next bigger time period chart, and that is a weekly chart, I'm just going to give you the analysis now for the next second bullish divergence, because first the price action took a powerful bullish divergence up to this level and started a correction rally. Then here we had another signal that the price action will not stop here and it will be moved up more, and that signal was that the price action formed a really very big bullish reversal pattern, and that is the cup and handle formation on this weekly chart. And the resistance of this cup was at 10,000 satoshis, and the price action just retraced back up to 0.382 Fibonacci retracement level from the bottom of the cup up to this resistance of the cup, and took a powerful bullish divergence. And you can see now at this candlestick the price action has finally broken out this resistance of 10,000 satoshis. That was the resistance of this cup, and now the price action at this time is struggling at the resistance of 14,000 satoshis. That is really a very powerful resistance for the price line, because here we can see that the price line has been, this 14,000 satoshis has been working as a support back in 2017, and in 2018 it has been working as a strong support, and now it is working as a strong resistance for the price action. At this level, the price line has stopped and trying to break out this resistance level. If the price line will be not able to break out this resistance of 14,000 satoshis, then it will be moved back up to this 10,000 satoshis. That is the previous support. That was the resistance of this cup. And after this correction, it can take another bounce to make another attempt to break out this resistance of 14,000 satoshis. This is really a very important resistance for the price line, because you can see that it is really very obvious that from 14,000 satoshis up to 27,500 satoshis, there is no significant resistance between this gap. This is a 4-day chart, and we can see on this long-term 4-day chart there is no resistance. We have some minor resistance level here, some minor resistance level here, but that is not a significant or major resistance that can stop the price line to reach up to this level. Therefore, if the price line will break out this resistance of 14,000 satoshis, then it will be easy for the price line to reach up to this level, that is 27,500 satoshis, very soon, within no time. Now if we switch to the smaller time period chart to dig the price action movement more out, now we can see that the price action has formed on this 4-hour chart a pedal channel, and at this time the price action is moving very well within this channel, and at this time it is at the support of this channel. And while moving within this channel, the price action is forming different kind of harmonic patterns. For example, if we zoom it more out, this is the same 4-hour chart. We can see that first the price action formed a bearish bad pattern. This is the bearish bad move within the channel, and on this chart we can see this movement very clear. This is the initial leg. The A to B leg is retraced between 0.382 to 0.50 Fibonacci retracement level. Then it is projected between 0.382 to 0.886 Fibonacci projection of A to B leg. And then it is retraced finally between 0.382 to 0.886 Fibonacci retracement level and took a bearish divergence from this potential reversal zone, as it was a bearish bat. Now it has formed another bullish bat after this bearish bat. This is the initial leg, and same as like here, it has been retraced between 0.382 to 50 Fibonacci retracement level. Then it has been projected between 0.382 to 0.886 Fibonacci projection of A to B leg, like it did here. And now finally it has been retraced between 0.786 to 0.886 Fibonacci retracement level. And this time we have the 100 simple moving average strong support just within this potential reversal zone. That will be another support that can help the price action to take the powerful bullish divergence from here. This is not as that much big chart. This is a small time period 4-hour chart that can push the price line to break out this really very powerful resistance of 14,000 satoshis. However, we can expect that it will provide a sufficient push to the price line that it will make another attempt to break out this resistance level. And if this resistance level will be broken out, then we can see an up to 96% bullish rally from here up to this level. And once this resistance level will be broken out, then after that we will have another really very powerful bullish divergence. Definitely after that I will discuss the more resistance and support level with you once the price line will break out that resistance level as well. So this was the update so far by the KNC or Kyber network. If there will be more updates and there will be more developments, then I will definitely share with you. If you like the video, then do hit the like and do subscribe to my channel, guys, and do share my videos and do share your comments with me. If you have any opinions, suggestions, or questions, you can share those suggestions in the comment section with me. Take a lot of care of yourself and your family as well. Goodbye.